Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to transfer a domain in Shopify, step by step. Transferring a domain to Shopify can seem daunting at first, but it's actually a straightforward process that can be completed with ease. Having your domain properly connected is critical for ensuring your online store runs smoothly and looks professional. Let's delve right into the step-by-step process to seamlessly transition your domain to Shopify. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your store's dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage all aspects of your online store. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the dashboard. You will find the Settings option there. Clicking on Settings is your gateway to configuring various elements of your store, including domain management. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a variety of options to tweak and configure to your liking. However, for the purpose of transferring your domain, you should focus on the Domains section. By selecting Domains, you'll gain access to a page that's specially designed to manage your store's web addresses. This page is pivotal for the next steps in the domain transfer process. On the Domains page, locate and click on the Connect Existing Domain button. This is the starting point for incorporating the domain you wish to use with your Shopify store. A text box will pop up, inviting you to enter the domain name that you've either already purchased or plan to connect. Carefully type or paste your domain name into the text box. It's essential to ensure the accuracy of your entry to avoid connecting the wrong domain or encountering unnecessary delays. After you've double-checked and confirmed that the domain name is correct, go ahead and click the Next button situated below the text box. This action signals that you're ready to advance with the connection and transfer process. Shopify will then guide you to verify the domain. This verification step is crucial as it confirms your ownership of the domain you're attempting to transfer. Find and click the Verify button to proceed. If your domain settings and configurations are correctly aligned with your domain provider, Shopify will recognize them and successfully complete the connection with your store. And there you have it. If you've meticulously followed these steps, your domain should now be connected to your Shopify store. It's worth noting that it might take a few minutes or even up to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet. So, if you don't see immediate updates, don't fret. As a helpful tip, make sure your domain's DNS settings are pointing to Shopify servers. This detail is often overlooked but is essential to ensure the connection is solid and functional. Missing this step can lead to connection issues, so double-check to avoid any hiccups. And that concludes today's comprehensive tutorial on transferring a domain in Shopify. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and useful in your journey to customizing and enhancing your Shopify store. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to transfer a domain in Shopify, step by step, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to transfer a domain in Shopify, step by step, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.